Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Datta. Have you ever wondered how to forecast future sales using nothing more than Microsoft Excel? More importantly, can Excel's built in forecasting tools deliver results comparable to advanced forecasting models like Profit? In today's video, I shall show you exactly how to forecast monthly sales for an entire year using 5 years of historical sales data. We'll also explore two powerful Excel forecasting methods, the FORECAST.ETS function and the forecast sheet feature. You will learn how to generate monthly forecasts, interpret confidence intervals, distinguish between optimistic and pessimistic scenarios, and visualize future sales trends through interactive charts. Finally, we shall compare Excel's forecast with predictions generated by highly regarded profit forecasting model to see how closely they match. Whether you are a finance professional, business analyst, accountant, or Excel enthusiast, this practical tutorial will help you unlock the power of forecasting and make more informed business decisions. So, let's get started and discover how Excel can become a powerful forecasting tool for your business.
We have 5 years month-wise sales data from January 2020 to December 2024. We need to forecast monthly sales from Jan to December for the year 2025. Go to cell E2. Input the formula as shown on the screen. We shall select FORECAST.ETS. For the target date, we shall select D2 to D5. For values, select B2 to B61. For timeline, select A2 to A61. The forecast for the period January 2025 to December 2025 is shown in the range E2 to E13. Now I am going to teach you how to use the forecast sheet icon to do even better forecasting. Select the range A2 to B61. Go to Data menu. Select the forecast sheet icon. A graphical forecast will pop up. The blue line will denote the actual and 3 orange lines will denote the forecast. Click the Option button to modify the forecast. Click Forecast End button. Set the date to the 31st of December, 2025. Click Forecast Start button. Set the date to the 31st of December, 2024. Input timeline range to A2 to A61 and value range to B2 to B61. Click Create. You will observe a pop-up graph. Forecast is depicted by 3 orange lines. 1 thick orange line and 2 thin orange lines. The thick line represent the forecast. The upper line represent the optimistic forecast and the lower line represent the pessimistic forecast. Scroll down below to see all the 3 forecasts in numeric form. Now we shall compare the forecast which we originally obtained through formula with forecast obtained via forecast sheet. Go to Sheet 1. Copy range E2 to E13. Go to Sheet 3. Paste in cell G62. You will observe same numbers both in row C and in row G. Profit model is considered one of the best forecasting models. We have derived forecast for the period Jan to December 25th using profit. The forecast derived by using Excel is comparable to the figures obtained by using profit model.
Explanation of the forecast sheet. What is a forecast sheet? A forecast sheet creates a new worksheet with forecasted, predicted data, a chart showing trends, confidence intervals, range of expected values. Steps to create a forecast sheet. Prepare your data. 2 columns required. 1.time/date column, 2.values column, e.g., sales. Key options in forecast sheet. You can customize. 1. Forecast end date. Decide how far into the future you want predictions. 2. Confidence interval. Shows how accurate predictions are. A lower percent equals narrower range, a higher percent equals wider, more uncertainty. 3. Seasonality. Auto-detect or manually define pattern, e.g., 12 months. 4. Missing data handling. Fill missing points automatically. 5. Timeline range. A change input data range if needed. Aggregate duplicates using in Excel's forecast sheet input options is used when your time-based data contains multiple entries for the same date, time. Sometimes your dataset may look like this. Excel cannot forecast properly unless there is one value per time point, so it needs to combine them. That's where aggregate duplicates using comes in. It tells Excel how to merge multiple values for the same date into one single value.
Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.